Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to quickly install WhatsApp on your MacBook using the easiest method. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So normally you have to open your MacBook's App Store. You can find it on your dock. Open it. And after then, search on the search bar, WhatsApp. And normally open this and click on the get or update button. And then it will start to download. I'm gonna show you another method. So normally open your web browser. And now normally search here WhatsApp download. And then open the first page. And click on this download button. And it will start to download. And after then, open the file. And now hold this icon and drag it to this folder. So here you can see that I have already installed it. So I am selecting a stop. Once the installation is complete, you will see WhatsApp in your applications folder. Normally click on this launchpad button. And here it is. So that are the fastest two ways to install WhatsApp on your MacBook. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Allah Hafiz.